tsogile, tsogile, rice, sentle, sentle, well, wena, wena, you, jang, jang, how, o hlotse jang, o hlotse jang, how did you spend your day, o tsogile jang, o tsogile jang, how have you risen, ke hlotse sentle, ke hlotse sentle, I spent my day well, ke tsogile sentle, ke tsogile sentle, I have risen well, o tsogile, o tsogile, have you risen, ke tsogile, ke tsogile, I have risen well, le kae, le kae, are you here, ke teng, ke teng, I am here, how's it, how's it, how are you, sharp, sharp, I'm good, wa reng, what do you say, ga ke re sepe, ga ke re sepe, I didn't say anything, go jwang, go jwang, what's up, go sharp, go sharp, I'm good.
There are many ways to greet someone in Setswana. First, we will cover the formal greeting used for talking to elders and in professional settings.
To demonstrate, Meshach will greet me and I will give the appropriate response.
How did you rise? O tsogile jang?
I rose well. And you? Ke tsogile sentle. Wena?
I rose well. Ke tsogile sentle. There are many informal greetings used in Botswana and South Africa.
Here are some of the most common ways people will informally ask you, what's up or how is it going? You may hear every day.
O tsogile?
Ke tsogile.
Le kae?
Ke teng.
How's it?
Sharp.
Ola?
Eita.
Eita?
Ola.
Wa reng?
Ga ke re sepe.
Go jwang?
Go sharp.
Practice these greetings and their responses and you will make friends here in no time.